Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 4th day. Today, Mukarram's uncle gave him iftar. We gave Mukram iftar at the mosque first. Then we went. We all had iftar at our mother's house. We left. Everyone's love and pakoras at our mother's house. We broke our fast with pakoras. Fruit lick, syrup, milk, soda, dates. Then we prayed and ate biryani. Everyone drank tea, and everyone left for their respective homes. You are watching the children having fun. This is my little nephew.
ऐसे किया अच्छी लग रही हो
Mashallah.
अच्छी वीडियो ठीक है ओके ऐसे करो थम्स अप करें बड़ा सा थम्स अप करें बड़ा सा कर बड़ा सा